This is a new street for me. Wow. I was reading about it, but this is where it is. Okay. Let's see where it goes. Legit. Okay. You ate the old food?
It's food. It's all. Look at there's popcorn.
What? Right. Let's see it.
Is this for your YouTuber?
Yeah, let's
He
see
came in
it.
there for a little bit and tried to do the parent gift, but then he wants to stop pulling Piper's hair and being mean to her. And
Bro,
He's just
that is
like-
legit.
like,
That
she's
is
so
3D
cute.
print.
Just like, it's okay, whatever else. But then
How
he
cool
just
is
like
that?
ran out.
That is. What? Okay. Gymnasium. Oh, this is for Natalie. What is, bro? Is this for Natalie?
Yeah, she has aerial silk.
That is. Here's the
Check it
room.
out.
Let's
These
see
are
the
all the
room.
watches. Well, a lot of these I built. Not all of them though. I built this one, and this one,
Bro,
and this one I'm working on for a friend right here.
I'm digging it.
It's like a Rolex clone.
Where's the 3D print? This is it?
Yeah, that's it right there.
How much was? Hold on.
And this, check how good this print is, dude. So like, see the hole? I don't know if you can see the holes in the turret right there. Like it lit. Like the detail's really good though. Like you can see every rivet.
It is
in
amazing.
Like,
I'm
and this is the craziest part right here though. I don't know if you're gonna be with airplanes and stuff. That looks sweet actually. It's kind of neat. Down here, as always.